Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are on our way to Jajce this morning. This is the view from our hotel. We had a garden room. I'll put details of our hotel in the description box below. After reaching the hotel, we had lunch at the hotel restaurant. We then got out for a walk and to explore the area. The hotel was in a very good location, so everything we wanted to see was in a walking distance. We first came to this place. I can't possibly try to pronounce it. It was so beautiful to see and just to be around here. It was so cool walking through this area. You should definitely visit if you're around.
What path let's take? My side is this, you said?
We then walked back towards our hotel. Decided to go out on a boat ride on the lake.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get in.
Then we were scoping out some restaurants to see where we would like to go for dinner later today. Then we took a short drive to Pliva Waterfall. Later that evening, we stepped out for our final dinner in Bosnia. The next morning, we were back in Sarajevo as we were flying back from here. Thank you for being a part of my Bosnia and Herzegovina series. If this is the first video you're watching, do check out my Mostar and Sarajevo videos.